animal back with Hershey, so he was having the time of his life down there. And you can't let him rule the retrieving thing because he would do it all day long. We had to drag him away from down there. Anyway, so remember, the other thing we're working on, because he would pull and stuff, and, you know, of his little admonished attitude he has, you know, it's hard to, you know, and we don't want to have a correction-based dynamic anyway, but we want to help define what heal is, and heal does not mean walk forward. Heal means walk forward. You're just always going to be hedging them. So heal is this location. Heal right there. Down. Heal. Down. Good. Good. All right, so that's not it right there. So I've got to heal. Good. So I added a little bit of pop of the leash, but I did the squeak and the pager. So, you know, because if you just start popping on this dog, you know, I'm sure that was part of the previous methodology. Heel. Oh, good. Oh, he skeets along back. That's what my friend Catalin in Romania does. I got to find that video and put it on the Facebook. Because, yeah, he has some, like, army crawl backwards. I have no idea why, but he's supposed to come to America. He can't get a visa because of the Warsaw Pact. Apparently, we're unable to forget about that. Commie bastards. You know, they didn't know it's a second world country. They just went along with what Russia told them to do. Deal. Good. Deal. Pressure. I know that doesn't really necessarily make sense, but heel. Good. So, good. See how he gave? Good. Good boy. Gave into the pressure right here. It's very awkward at this stage. We're working on it. All right, I'm going to be ready. So I wouldn't stop. Good. Down. Oh, he's perfect. He's perfect. Bye, girl.